Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your knowledge in the TapCoding application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then at the introduction section, click on the Basics 1 button. And then click on the Start button. And after reviewing programming and code, just click on the Continue button at the bottom of the page. And here you will get first an exercise where you have to select the true statements concerning the previous lecture. So just click on what you think is the right answer, and then the program or the application will give you a feedback. And then just click on Continue and you will see the next lesson. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.